There was a moment just before everything becomes something, where the world has not yet taken shape and you are not yet a name. In that space, you are not separate. You are the silence that listens to itself. You are the field where every thought begins, and somewhere beneath it all, we are already connected, not as bodies, not as minds, but as something older, something that remembers the web that holds us all.
I drift beyond the edge of thought, where silent currents pull me in, a space where every soul is woven in a field beneath the skin. I feel you there without a name, a distant echo yet so near, like threads of light between our minds that shimmer softly through the veil.
And I begin to remember
what I've always been. We are the web of consciousness, a living field of light. Every breath connects us all across the dark and bright. No separation, no divide, no edge where I can end. In every heart, in every mind, we meet ourselves again.
Beyond the story of you and I, there is only what we've become. Every thought a ripple moving through the fabric we all share. Every feeling, every moment expands the field we're breathing in. Closer now, feel it move through the body, through the truth. We are the web of consciousness, a never-ending flow. Every soul a shining note in patterns we don't know. No beginning, no collapse, no place. We are apart, we are the silence and the sound. We are the beating heart. We are connected. We are connected. Awaken. I dissolve into the whole. No more edges left to hold. Every boundary fades away
Into light, into the flow.